Hello, guys. Welcome to E3 Tech again. Yeah, today I'll be showing you how to utilize AIs to make your work faster. We'll be using Chat GPT. Now, for example, let's assume you are writing a book. Oh, I'm trying to see. Okay, let's say effective time management. Let's say you want to write a book on time management. This is what you can do. Write an outline for a book on time management. Okay, then submit. So you can see this is what the AI is going to do. The AI is going to give you like the outline. I can also call this table of content. It's going to give it to you. So, if you want to write a book on time management, you have to let the reader understand what time management is really about and the benefit of why you should engage in time management. You can see the second section is talking about setting goals, importance of goal settings, types of goals, developing an action plan. You can also tweak this. This will really make your book faster and easier to be ready. All you just need to do is do extensive research and draft your points to deliver your message to your reader. Thank you for watching today's video, and don't forget to leave a thumbs up and have a wonderful day. Don't forget, AIs are not taking your job. The people that use AIs are the ones that are going to take your job. So welcome the revolution in the technology world. Bye bye.